Nobody talks about how girls and guys take compliments very differently. Because if a girl gets complimented, they might feel good about it for a couple minutes, or maybe not at all, depending on who says the compliment. But for guys, or at least for me, if you give me a compliment, I will remember it for the rest of time. And that's not even a joke, because when I was in 3rd grade, a girl told me that I have pretty eyes. And I'm not kidding when I say that I almost pulled out a ring pop on the spot and asked her to marry me. Like, I still think about that compliment today. Literally for a whole year after she gave me this compliment, I would walk around school like this, just trying to show my eyes off. What's up, guys? How's it going? Oh, hey, Jared, how you doing? Like, I finally understood why those blue-eyed people always stare at you as if they could see into your future. But it got to the point where it made my teacher so uncomfortable that one day, she told me to go sit outside a classroom until I was ready to act normal again. So what did I do? I stared into her eyes even more. No, I'm just kidding. I didn't do that. I went outside, cried for a couple minutes, then came back inside and never opened my eyes wide again.